In today's article, if you're going abroad and need to make calls back to the United States, utilize Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi calling is a great way to stay connected with your loved ones back home while traveling abroad without incurring expensive roaming charges. Most major mobile carriers, including T-Mobile, offer Wi-Fi calling as a feature on their phones. When you use Wi-Fi calling, your phone uses your Wi-Fi network to make and receive calls, rather than relying on the cellular network. This means that you can make calls to the United States without incurring international roaming fees. However, it's important to note that some carriers may still charge a small fee for Wi-Fi calling to international numbers, so it's best to check with your carrier before traveling. In addition to using Wi-Fi calling, it's also a clever idea to use a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, which means that hackers may be able to intercept your internet traffic and steal your sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card numbers. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, which makes it more difficult for hackers to intercept your data. Overall, using Wi-Fi calling and a VPN are two great ways to stay connected and secure while traveling abroad. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily,